What up, YouTube? Max here, and today we're playing round 5 with this Azorius Hammer Time deck in Modern. We're on the draw for game 1, and we're keeping our hand. Opponent's not playing Yorion this time, or Elementals it looks like at all. And I like our start. To go Springleaf Drum here. I guess we should have... Yeah, now they can kill our Thopter in response. Maybe we should start with Springleaf Drum, then Thopter. Mistake. Number 1 of the game. Of the match. Yep. Missequencing. That's too bad. Oh well. That's why you play the deck, right? That's why you learn and get better over time. Looks like pawn's... I'm not sure what my pawn's actually on. Okay. Start with Esper Sentinel. Counterspell. Fine. That is fine. Shock with that. Play Giver. Pass. Yeah, so this missequencing was a little unfortunate. But hopefully we can recover. Seasoned Pyromancer, you say? It's just like a blue-red mid-range deck. Oh, liquid metal coating. Huh. Looks like they're playing like blue-red artifact hate, like artifact shutdown deck. A deck that shuts down. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so fortunately for the opponent, we're gonna go Stoneforge, grab a hammer, or maybe just grab a Kaldra. No. Grab a hammer, and then Sentinel. Okay. 2. Play a hammer. No, that's wrong. Because now Puresteel can't. Yeah, I guess we just pass here. I was thinking we could like go hammer equip, but we need the Puresteel in place, so I guess we just pass. This is fine. Yeah, this is a fine setup for us. This hammer time deck, can be a little tricky to play sometimes. I'm still learning the ins and outs of it, but it's a lot of fun to play. Definitely a lot of fun to play. If I play this in paper at some point, I will have to remember a lot of Esper Sentinel triggers. Opponents can just let us draw a card. Okay. But yeah, this deck seems quite strong. I played Affinity. That's where my YouTube channel Max Opal came from. Max Opal is one of my favorite cards of all time. And so I enjoyed playing a lot of Affinity back in the day, but with Mox Opal gone, I don't think the deck's still good. I just don't think it's as good. All right. So we can go white, Puresteel, activate, or play activate Inkmoth, play hammer, win. Okay. I think that's how that works. See if our opponent has any response to this. We should have... Okay. Here's the problem, though. I guess what we can do is we can even give it pro red now. But then if they just kill it, they kill it. That's unfortunate. So the hammers make it so they don't... Yeah. Let's go try to get this pro red. And if they kill it, we can just equip the hammer to like the Stoneforge and attack, right? It's just attack for 11 with the Stoneforge if they kill it. I think this is actually okay for us. Okay. Yeah, because Like, they're gonna try to kill it, and we're gonna just be okay with that. Interesting, they went to Ancient Grudge that and not... They went to Ancient Grudge that and not, well, just equip the Stoneforge. Sit in for 11. I mean, they just block with one of their guys, but at least they block with one of their guys, right? Alright. So now they can flashback Ancient Grudge to kill our hammer. But we have Steelshaper's Gift in hand, which will be good. Maybe we're not supposed to attack there with the Stoneforge. Are they doing... okay, I thought they were going to flashback Ancient Grudge main phase. I was going to be like, what? Okay, so we'll draw a card off Esper... No, they won't. Okay. Esper Sentinel's in. I mean, Red and 6 is in. Esper Sentinel is dead. Okay. I think we're okay here. We can still... Trying to think the best way to play this. Attacking. We can give it like no, because they can just... Oh, hold on a second. Opponent doesn't have a green. Opponent does not have a green. So, Steelshaper's Gift. Grab another hammer. Play hammer. They're going to counter it. I assume. Ancient Grudge the hammer. That's fair. That's fair. Draw a card there. So now we can give 1 per red. We'll be 2 short from lethal. Give this pro red. Oh, we don't have enough. We don't have enough. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm just messing this up all over the place, and I know I'm messing this up all over the place, and I apologize. Shock that in. Stoneforge for another hammer. Okay, that was mess. That was not played well, but we got there. All right, so against like red green, maybe Midrange or Ponza or something. We've been playing against a lot of red green Midrange on this channel. But against that kind of deck, I'm not sure. Spell Pierce seems bad. And like Mana Leak seems fine against that kind of deck. I think if I'm going to play this deck more, I should definitely get a sideboard guide built, or just like look at sideboards, or try to learn this Hammer Time deck more, because it's very intriguing, very enjoyable to play, but it's a tricky one. Triple that into that. Still mulligan. That's better. Yeah, this Hammer Time deck is going to take some time to master for sure, but I enjoy it. Alright, what did we learn? We learned to play the Springleaf Drum first, then play this, then play the Sentinel. See, we did it right this time. Rewarded. Double hammer in hand is kind of awkward, right? But like, kind of hoping we were able to. If opponent wants to kill this, oh, they're just gonna. Interesting. Maybe they thought about using a spell and then they just decided not to. Now they're going to 15. Oh, Fury. That feels bad. Fury's definitely good against our deck. leaving us with just not much. Hello, Stoneforge Mystic. I was wondering when you would show up. Around in time, my friend. For the counterspell. Rough. Rough, rough, rough. When opponent just plays Besage and doesn't even care about keeping in hand. It's a feel bad. We're gonna play one hammer out here. Play at least one hammer. Like, my thought is if we get a Puresteel Paladin, then we can at least attack for a little bit. Maybe we should have done both in case we got Puresteel, but they have blockers. Yeah, on a mulligan, and then they have the counterspell and Fury. Is pretty rough for us to beat. Pretty hard for us to beat, rather. Looks like opponents thinking about attacking. They're not going to, though. They'll fetch. Opponents just playing like Temur mid-range, maybe. I'm not sure exactly what deck my opponent's playing. I'm not sure why you wouldn't just play Footfalls. Crashing Footfalls if you're going to play, like... Well, do we think they have another counterspell? We'll find out. They do. Lightning Bolt target the Sentinel. Okay. Do we get to draw a card at least? No. Settle down. I guess we just get like a Kaldra here and try to... I don't know. Like, we can get a Kaldra and try to make something happen with that next turn. Playing Shadows... Chip was the other card that we were considering playing. I'm just going to put this second hammer and pass. Chip was the other card that we could have considered playing. Like getting Reality Chip, rather. But I don't think that does much. Okay, we're going to take some damage. They have Unholy Heat, of course. Why wouldn't they? Ugh. And the Karn. I just realized though, opponent had like Ancient Grudges in their deck, multiple Ancient Grudges in their deck in game 1. I still think it's kind of interesting that they would do that. Like, why are you playing Ancient Grudge in your deck game 1? Maybe they just don't like playing against... Oh, I know why, because they were playing that Reality Chip card. I mean, not Reality Chip, they're playing the... Alright, we're conceding this game, we can't beat that. Sorry. They were playing the card, the coding cards. So they're playing a couple codings, and that means that like they're hoping to go against a bunch of cement as we have. They're hoping to make my stuff, their opponent's stuff, artifacts. Okay, well, we have the nuts here. So this hand's just great. Maybe we should have started Seachrome Coast, but this is fine. This hand's just really good for us. Even okay, they don't kill it turn 1. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go Stoneforge. Grab another hammer. Pass. Next turn we can potentially go double hammer plus, if we got to draw White Source, we can, or if we draw land, we can go double hammer plus Sigarda's Aid and just win. Potentially, I mean, Kaldra is interesting. Maybe we just pass here. Yeah, just pass. Hold out the mana leak, and then we can Kaldra end of turn if they have if we don't use our mana elsewhere. I like that. really hope my opponent tries to tap out for a turn 3 play though, and we can just mana leak, draw lane, go double hammer and Sigarda's Aid and just win. That'd be amazing. Alright, well. I'll have to settle for this. I guess like Ancient Grudge is not even that great here, right? Like they spend their mana on that and then we just get to hammer him. Guess we'll give this pro red in response. To just go for it? Like, are we supposed to go for it here? Let's start with the Sigarda's Aid and bait out a counter spell, and then we'll mana leak the counter. That resolve real fast. I'm still hesitant to go for it. I feel like they have something. I would rather hold the mana leak here. Yeah. I don't think we lose if we hold a mana leak. I don't think they can... Like, they have to do something proactive and just... I think that's the best answer to whatever they're going to try to do. Because they have to answer our threat before we play more, is kind of the strategy I'm going for. Sigarda's Aid is such a freaking strong card. Eldritch Moon too. Not even like Modern Horizons or a modern exclusive set. Well, not exclusive, but like a modern set. It's just Eldritch Moon, which is legal and modern, but you know my point. Okay. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. Make them act first. Okay, now we can go for a hammer. Put on here. What do you got? Oh, we should have targeted this, so then they couldn't have lightning bolt it. They're gonna Ancient Grudge, and if we mana leak, they just flash it back. But if we okay, so they're going for an Ancient Grudge, showing the hammer. If we mana leak, they can flash it back. Yeah. Another option is to... Yeah. Make them flash it back. And then the next turn we still have our hammer. So now they're gonna Ancient Grudge, flash it back. Sure. We're still taking 6. Okay, and then we still have another hammer and wings, and they have to deal with his Kaldra. I think we're okay. And we can even like Stoneforge for another third hammer. Yeah, this one feels pretty good for us. I think we're gonna win this one. We'll see though. Like opponent could have, I don't know what they could have really to get out of this one. The hammer's cool. All right, so we're gonna win this one, and I will show you guys. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. All right, so yeah, we got a nice some nice prizes, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next set of videos. Bye.